In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to know your most fertile days, what people like to call safe days, or the days that you're most likely to conceive. And disclaimer, those apps that you use, most likely they're not or they're never gonna give you an accurate representation of when you are most fertile, because it is not the days that matter but your body and the symptoms that you are having. So my name is Nasteri and I help women heal and balance their hormones so that they can be able to conceive without struggle naturally. So if you have been struggling to conceive, you have irregular periods and you have other symptoms of hormonal imbalances, then I can work with you. Check the links there in my video description. So let us go straight to the video so that I can show you how to know when you are most fertile. So let us learn together how to know your most fertile days. So most fertile days, let me know whether you can see that. Most fertile days. So number one thing that you need to know is that it is not defined by a date on the calendar. Please don't be lied to. Those apps that you use, they are never gonna give you, as I've told you, they're never gonna give you a clear representation of when you are most fertile. So what is it, or what is the number one thing that you can know that you are in your most fertile days? So number one symptom that you need to check is the cervical mucus. So as you can see, your app is never gonna tell you about the state or the quality of your cervical mucus. So around the time when you are most fertile, like in your most fertile days, the cervical mucus, or that discharge that is coming from your cervix, should be clear. It should be look like the egg white. Like, have you ever been cooking an egg and you know the yellow part and the white part? So it should look like the egg white, and then it should be stretchy. And then around this time you should also be experiencing more wetness, like there's more wetness around this time. So that is the cervical mucus. And then there's something else that you need to also know or experience in your body, and that is like your body generally. You're gonna feel more attractive, like you're gonna feel more attractive or attracted to the gender of the opposite sex. So this is the nature's way of making sure that you find a mate who can make you pregnant. So you also gonna feel that, and then you may also feel like more heat, let me say that, like the temperature is a little bit higher than usual. And then you should also glow more. So you're glowing more. That is also another symptom that is gonna tell you that you are in your most fertile days. So as you can see, ladies, it is not the date on an app. You may have an irregular cycle, but you're having these symptoms and your app is telling you that you're not on your most fertile days, but your body is saying otherwise. So it doesn't matter whether you have a regular cycle or an irregular cycle, as long as you are having this, and especially the quality of your cervical mucus, if they have these characteristics, then you are on your most fertile days. So that is what I wanted to teach you today. If you go by this and you see your mate around this time, then definitely you're gonna get pregnant. Make sure you follow, like this video, and if you have trouble conceiving, especially because of hormonal imbalances, hop onto a call with me so that I can help you out. So thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you in my next one.